Hey, in this video we're going to show you how to upload a co-op or condo listing into StreetEasy. So if you've remembered, we have the listing details here for a listing. We have verified via a separate ticket we've been copied on that the listing agreement has been signed. Super important. We've checked our listing sheet for where to list, and because it's based in Manhattan or New York County, we know we need to upload into these three different places: Rebney RLS, Wonky MLS, and StreetEasy. And StreetEasy, it's very unique for the New York City market. They require a separate upload. They don't take a feed from the RLS or the MLS. Very bizarre, so you need to upload it on this very popular search website separately. So let's go ahead and do that. You log on to StreetEasy, and then you hit My Listings. There's a variety of ways to do it. Create new sale, since this is a sale listing, and then you enter the address. So here, 319 East 50th Street, it's 10F, right? You just want to verify that 319 East 50th Street, 10F, create listing. And you can say it reflects an accurate unit number. Unless specified otherwise by the seller. For exclusive start date, you can always do today's date, and then the end date is just 1 year from now, so 2024, March. Same date, 3/16/2024. And then for co-broke commission, it's 3%, as you know. And then select people here. Just put in your own name. You select affirm, and then you hit next for building. Pets are allowed. They've already pre-filled this. That's great. You don't need to mess with this too much, since the StreetEasy already has data for this. If there's something you see here that, for example, they're missing, you could always add, of course. For example, building amenities, elevator, full-time doorman. You can see if they've had an elevator. Yep, doorman, live-in super, laundry room, bike room, package room. Yeah, so it's already been selected. So you can go ahead and hit next. It's a resale, of course, because it's usually never new construction, unless you're working with a developer. The price, let's make sure we obviously get this correct. Maintenance, they know that it's a co-op, so there's no common charges or real estate taxes, as we've discussed before. For a co-op, it's just one monthly figure, and it's maintenance. Max financing, you would put 80%, and that's because you know that here it says 20% minimum down payment permitted is 20%, and the converse is the maximum you're allowed to borrow if the minimum down payment is 20%, would be 80%. So 100 minus the 20 is 80. Here, you can see that it is a studio because there are 0 bedrooms. So it's 1 bed, 2 bath, or I'm sorry, 0 bedrooms, 1 bath, and 2 total rooms. You can see the seller said approximately 500 square feet right here. Unit description. Right here. Okay. Unit amenities. See if there's something that you can add. They put just hardwood floors. That's fine. See if you can add that. If not, it's not an issue either. For view, if there's something you know, they say open view east. If it's not very clear, then you can simply put city, or leave it blank rather. Hit next. Now go ahead. StreetEasy wants you to upload the photos and the floor plan separately, so do that from your computer, as we've discussed before. So the photos here the seller has uploaded in numerical order. So what you should do is save them with a file name in numerical order, perhaps the address 123, and then this way when you upload them all at once, it should upload them automatically in the order the seller wanted. For example, like this, you can see they've uploaded, but for some reason it's not in the correct order, so just double check what the order is, and just for common sense to check, it's you always want the best photo first, super important to get it right, and then it's the interior photos, like usually living room, bedrooms, then bathrooms perhaps, so kitchen, so it's just like it's very logical order, and then towards the end you would have photos that are the exterior and such. So this for some reason uploaded in reverse order. That could have something to do with the file names. So it's probably something to do with StreetEasy. Their site appears to be a bit laggy. So we've skipped ahead and gone ahead and made sure it's the correct order. Now we'll upload the floor plan. Okay. And then if there's a 3D tour link, you can include it, or a video link. We don't have one, so let's continue. They do want an open house, so let's go ahead. The open house is 319, 11 to 2. 319, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can see that it's a public general open house. It's not by appointment only, so you can just add it. And then for a website, always, if there's an opportunity, just put our company website. Okay, and then hit save. And then double check everything, right? You can hit save as a draft for now. Double check everything, and then you can hit active, and then publish. Now you can go view listing, and just check that everything looks correct. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. Okay. All right. So now, what you should do is take a screenshot and include it in your response. So we've already added a canned response earlier after we've uploaded to the Revenue RLS, included a screenshot, and to the 1Key MLS included a screenshot. So the last one is StreetEasy. Let's include it at the bottom here. And do Control V. Okay, well, it moved it to the top. That's fine. But anyway, you have StreetEasy, RealtyMX, 1Key MLS. So you have all of them. You have the canned response, which tells the seller that your listing has been uploaded. So then you go ahead and you can hit send and set as closed. So you see that it's been completed, and then what you can do is also you can go ahead and close out this copy of the listing agreement that you were copied on, just so you know what it looks like. If you're not sure, verify the address, 319 50th Street 10F. Okay, so this has been taken care of. You can go ahead and close this as well. And that's it. This is how you upload a condo or co-op, in this particular case a co-op listing, to StreetEasy, which is a popular site specifically for New York City. Yeah, we hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below. If you're a buyer or seller by chance, you can save all 6% when you sell with a agent-assisted FSBO listing. We'll get you listed in all the MLSs and the RLS as well. And if you're buying, you can get 2% back or more with the Hauseit buyer closing credit. And if you're a real estate agent looking to join us, check us out, hauseit.com. Check out our careers page. We offer plans that give you up to 100% commission split on your own independently sourced and executed deals. We hope to hear from you.